Hi, this is Michelle with Michelle's Macarons, and today we're going to talk about why your home bakery business isn't growing. I feel kind of bad saying these things, but they're all things that you can improve pretty easily. So, someone's got to give it to you straight. The first reason why maybe your home bakery isn't growing is maybe your posts still aren't being seen by the people that want to buy your product. First, you should get a social media account. So get Instagram, get Facebook at least, and then make sure you're consistently posting on there, but maybe your posts still aren't being seen by the people that want to buy your product. So I go over here some ways to grow your Instagram and kind of get it up and running when you first start, but try using local hashtags. When you're trying to grow your social media for your business and it's a local home bakery business, you really want to focus on the people around you and not just growing your Instagram for everyone. So use local hashtags, I would use hashtag Troy, Ohio, and try to kind of find some other hashtags that are being used in your area that are popular in your area. Same with turning your location. Whenever you post a photo, put your location on. Things like that can get it so people see your product when they're looking at their city's hashtag so they know where you are. Now, you also should make it pretty obvious where you are in your bio. So in your Instagram bio, whatever information you have up there, also include your location. That's just a simple way for people to see where you are and know that you're available in their area. Because maybe people just don't know how to order. So you have all of these pretty pictures and everything looks great, but it might just not even be obvious that you sell whatever you're taking pictures of or how to order. So make it very obvious, say order here, and then post your link to your website or whatever, your order form, but make it very obvious. Okay, if you're enjoying this video and you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button below and the bell next to it, and you'll be notified whenever I come out with a new video. So if you do have a website, which I do recommend, but if you have a website, make that very easy to navigate as well. Don't worry about all the fancy stuff at first. Just make it so you can direct your customer to an order form or a way to order or information about you very easily. Okay, another reason why maybe your home bakery isn't growing is the pictures aren't that appealing. So if you're taking pictures and whatever you're taking a picture of just doesn't look that good, or the lighting is kind of yellow and a little off, that can kind of, I hate to say it, but affect how people see your product because they don't see it anywhere else. They only see what you're showing them on the internet. So really try to get the lighting right, and I have a whole video on how to take pictures in a cheap way without even a expensive camera. You can just use your phone, but try to get that lighting right. Use natural light if you can, and just brighten it up a little bit and edit when you edit, which here's another video for that. Spend some more time on your photos and practicing just with anything, so then when you finally get to taking your photos for your products, it looks good and you've had some practice. Because it is kind of a big deal what your photos look like, or else people aren't going to know how delicious your food is. So focus on getting them to look really good and to showcase what makes your product so good. Okay, another reason why maybe your home bakery business isn't growing is maybe you're just not getting out in the community enough. So if you're just behind your computer all day and doing everything from social media, that's great, but you also need to get out into the community. If you can, do some farmers markets. The best part about farmers markets to me was the people I met and kind of the relationships I made with the other vendors or people that came to visit the farmers market. Farmers market aren't just good for sales. There's more than that to them. So don't think if you did your farmers markets that maybe they didn't go well because you didn't sell that much. Really try to cultivate relationships and meet people and give out samples and do as many farmers markets as you can. Same with pop-ups, and I have a farmers market video if you need help with that, but same with pop-ups and delivering samples to different shops and just getting to know the people in your community and letting them know that you have a business, and a lot of people want to support local bakers and local shops, so that would be very helpful as well. This reason might be hard to hear, but maybe your home bakery isn't growing because maybe your product doesn't taste very good. I feel kind of bad saying that, but the good news is you can make it taste better. There are I give you recipes. You can use the recipes, and those are proven recipes that taste good and sell really well. Start with those and just don't be stubborn with your recipe. Even if it's like, oh, this is my grandma's recipe, still kind of test it and add things to it, take stuff away. Just make sure that you're not being stubborn with your recipes. And my favorite thing is to have like a taste test and do a blind taste test where you've got all of your products out for people to try, or you have it so it's anonymous, so people can maybe write down on a card what they think and you won't know who said it, so they can be very honest. And then you can use that to improve your recipes, improve your products. Just really make sure you're letting people be honest with you about how it tastes. I know that's hard to get an honest opinion, but try the anonymous thing where maybe they fill out a comment card or something so they don't feel bad if they tell you that your product's crap. So that could very likely be why it's not growing, especially if you notice that you're getting orders and then not getting repeat customers. So if you don't have a problem getting orders, but then you don't see a lot of people coming back, that could be kind of a red flag. Just don't take it personal if someone doesn't like your baked goods, because you can always fix it, change things. There's only so many ingredients, so you can fix things and make it better. Okay, so another reason maybe people aren't buying from you is you don't have reviews. Put reviews on your social media, on your website, everywhere. And if you're going to do, like I was saying, the taste test, if you're getting reviews and people are loving it, use the taste test comments as testimonials and reviews on your website and your Instagram. Or maybe offer a discount to someone that leaves a review. Just any way to kind of get that social proof and show other people that they're good and other people are buying them. Okay, and if you are struggling and you need some help growing your home bakery business, or you want to start one, join the email list below. I have a course called the Home Bakery Blueprint, and I will send you an email as soon as we have spots open for that. And if you're still having trouble making macarons, join the Michelle's Macarons Facebook group, and there's like 10,000 people in there now. So if you have any macaron problems, join that, put your pictures in there, and we will all help you make better macarons. If you'd like, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll put those links in the description as well. All right, check out these other macaron videos. Okay, love you, bye.